స్టార్టప్ కంపెనీలకు అడ్డా అంకుర సంస్థలకు వెన్నుదన్నుగా నిలుస్తున్న లార్జెస్ట్ ఇంక్యుబేషన్ సెంటర్ హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉన్న THUB గురించి మీరు వినే ఉంటారు. THUB లోపల ఏముందో చాలా మందికి తెలియదు. అలాంటి వారి కోసం THUB లో ఆఫీస్ టూర్ చేస్తుంది సుమన్ iTTV. THUB లో కంపెనీస్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి, ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కంపెనీస్ కి ఎలాంటి క్లయింట్స్ దొరుకుతారు, ఇక్కడ పనిచేస్తున్న ఎంప్లాయీస్ టాస్క్ ఎలా చేస్తారు, స్టార్టప్స్ కి మెంటర్షిప్ గైడెన్స్ ఎవరిస్తారు, ఇలాంటి డీటెయిల్స్ అన్ని ఈ వీడియోలో తెలుసుకుందాం. మరి ఇంకెందుకు ఆలస్యం, THUB లో ఉన్న Spryple ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ Workspace ఆఫీస్ టూర్ చేసేద్దాం. ఇది Spryple Workspace. ఇక్కడ ఎంతమంది ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు, వాళ్ళు ఎప్పటి నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు, వాళ్ళు అసలు ఏం వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఇవన్నీ వాళ్ళనే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం.
Hello everyone, my name is Manju Bhargavi. I'm Vice President and AI Technology Lead in Spryple HR. The meaning of Spryple is energetic people. Our Spryple HR has added the capabilities of CRM as well. And also we do have face recognition application which we use to capture the attendance. I'm proud to say that our application is AI enabled. So our product has become very successful in the market and we do have 200 plus clients so far. This everything is happening due to our team's hard work and their efforts. Now I'm going to introduce my team to everyone. She's Monica. She's our full stack developer. She's Vidya. She's also our full stack developer. And she's Sri Ramya. She's our BA analyst. She's our Sai Ramya, our QA engineer. So Ganesh, he's our DevOps engineer. And he's Rakesh, our full stack engineer, and he's also designated as senior software engineer. She's Pranita, our front end developer, and he's Mahesh. He's too works on front end developing, and he's Vinil. He's a tech lead, and she's Sushma. She's our QA engineer. She's Tulasi. She's our QA engineer, and he's Durga Prasad. He works on front end technologies, and she's Shweta, our QA engineer, and she's Vinila. She's also our QA engineer, and she's Shruti. She's part of AI team. He's Pavan. He's one of our seniors in our office, and he's senior software engineer, and he works on CRM application. And she's Sindhu. She's our QA engineer, and he's Balakrishna. He's also team lead, and he works on CRM application as well. He's Srikanth. He's our UI and UX designer.
Hi everyone, greetings. My name is Venkat Bura. I am founder of Spryple HR and CRM. I have total 25 years of experience in IT industry, and I started my journey as a techpreneur in 2014, and I have been developing different kinds of products. Now I am into the automating the small businesses in India, US, and UAE. As part of that, we are offering HR, CRM solutions for all small and micro businesses. We are using artificial intelligence in developing our product, and in THUB we have a special zone for providing support to all the products which are being developed using artificial intelligence. So the zone here is math zone. So it's machine learning and artificial intelligence technology hub. This is the math here. So it's provided by Department of Science and Technology. As you are all aware, every startup wants to be associated with THUB, which is the state-of-the-art facility for startups. It's not only just a facility, it is also giving a lot of support for startups in technology, mentoring, as well as the fundraising for startups like us. And we tried a couple of times in the past to come here, but finally we got a great opportunity to associated with the THUB here. When we heard about launching of THUB in the beginning, we were very excited to be associated with this. There are so many things that good things that we heard about the THUB, and we tried getting into the THUB couple of times. So in the first attempt itself, we could not able to get because there is a lot of competition to get into THUB. And finally, with all the hard work that we have been doing in product development, they recognized that. And then finally, they invited us to come and submit the application. So finally, we got into the THUB facility here. And for past 5 months, we have been working with them. It's a wonderful journey. They are supporting us in every aspect of the development of the company. So it's not only just a technical facility alone. It's giving us everything that any small company or startup needs in their journey. Our product name is Spryple HR and Spryple Sales CRM. Main objective of developing Spryple HR is to help small and medium businesses to use the HR applications to do all their operations in the businesses. Required set of features. So there will not be anything extra that you will be worried, or there will not be any overhead cost that you need to incur for getting the hardware for running the software. So it's a basically cloud-based solution where you can access it from anywhere. You can use it through your computer, or you can use it through your iPad, or you can use it through tab or mobile phone, and you can, in one single click, you can see the situation of all your business on any given moment, on any given day. Our second product is Spryple Sales CRM. Basically, you all know today it's very difficult to track the location of the field sales once they go out. So our application will help you to track the live location of your field staff as well as client details in one single system. We are providing our applications, Spryple HR and Spryple Sales CRM, at very affordable cost for businesses ranging with 3 employees to even 3,000 employees today. So we will do the customized pricing based on your business size and the location. Also, we are specialized in providing the services for businesses in the rural areas. So if you have any business in rural areas, please contact us. We will definitely come to your location. We will check your business and provide you the right solution to optimize your cost of people's effort and get the maximum business results for your business. For more details, you can log into www.spryple.com website, or you can also call us at 9100052009. And also we have a QR code for you to immediately access it. You can scan the QR code for more details.
చూసారు కదా ఈరోజు THUB లోని స్ప్రైపుల్ ఆఫీస్ టూర్. ఈ వీడియో గనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే కింద కామెంట్ సెక్షన్ లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇలాంటి మరిన్ని ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ వీడియోస్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ సుమన్ ITTV.